Another way that we've been able to help our children to want to read and have fun doing it is we made up these little fish cards that you can download from our website, but basically they're all the lessons that are in this book, all the different words that will be in this book. And when you cut them out, you just have them say the word and then be able to feed the dinosaur. And the way we made this dinosaur is we just took some sticker faces that we had got from Walmart, and we just glued it on the box, and then we cut a little hole so that way they could feed the dinosaur. And every time they feed the dinosaur, to add a little bit more excitement to feeding the dinosaur, is I took this MP3 player and I recorded my voice as being the dinosaur. And I put the speaker inside the box. And so every time they would feed the dinosaur, I would hit play, and the dinosaur would talk to them saying, thank you for feeding me. And so the children, they ate this up. They really enjoyed playing this game. And not only that, I bought this, it's called a Great Burning Man Light. It's a motion-sensitive LED pulse light. And every time they hit the box, his nose lights up. So they also get a real big kick out of that. Although I wouldn't leave this alone with little ones, because they do have the little tiny batteries, and I know those are very dangerous for little ones to play with. So you want to make sure you keep that away from them. Basically, watch them when they're playing this game so that they don't hurt themselves in any way. But this has been a lot of fun, and it's helped them to learn their different lessons and how to read. Okay, Gideon. What is this word? Ooh, he's getting mad. Just a second, just a second. Oh, good job, good job. Okay, Adley, it's your turn. What's this word?
We poo.
Good job. Go ahead and stick it in his mouth. Go ahead and stick it in his mouth. That way he can eat. He's got to eat. He's hungry. Go ahead. Okay, here we go. Ooh, he's mad. Ooh, what's this one, buddy? What's that one? Den. Very good.
You know, the fish is my favorite food in the whole wide world.
The water.
I love you.
I
Thank you for feeding me.
The water.
Oh, you're welcome. Okay, Adley, it's your turn. What's this word, honey?
Oh.
What is it?
What?
Whoa. Low. Good job. All right.
My data.
He likes it. What's this, buddy?
My data.
He loves it.
Back.
Good job, buddy.
Seafood ever. Thank you so much for feeding me. I was so hungry.
Aww. Aw. Okay, Adley, it's your turn, sweetheart. What is this word?
Toddler.
Father. Good job.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
The water.
In my tummy.
Okay. You're welcome. What's this one, buddy? What's that one?
Box.
Box. All right, stick it in there. See what he does.
Thank you.
Aww. You're welcome. So this is the book that's helped my children to learn how to read and spell. And you can download this entire book in PDF format. And I'll post the links down below from our website and also from our Etsy shop. And the reason it helps your children to learn how to read so fast is because these sounds that we hear every day are in the letters that they are learning. For example, we've all been there where we can't think of the words to say, so we go, or we've all heard a ticking clock. Or we've all heard the rooster crow. So all these sounds really stand out in your child's memory because there's everyday sounds that we hear, such as "Ah, sing Ollie the octopus who loves opera. Ah, sing Oscar the old octopus 1 octave higher." Or we've all heard this, "Na na 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 na, you can't catch me." Or M&M muffins and milk. So this is why these letters really stand out in your child's memory, because we hear them all the time, such as we've all screamed, "Ah!" But you can download this entire book on our website. You can also download all the tangible letters that will help them to remember what these different letters sound like, and so they can be able to spell as they're going through the different lessons. These are invaluable when teaching your child how to read. We have all the consonant diagrams and the vowel diphthongs also that you can download. And we also have worksheets that will help them to learn how to write the different letters that they're learning. Thank you so much for visiting us, and feel free to subscribe or to click the links to learn step-by-step instructions on how to teach a 1 to 3-year-old how to read and spell.